So, first video here from Vintage Thrift Guy. It was 50% off at Goodwill today, and I had 20% off at Savers. So, we're just going to go through this quickly. Picked up this nice day hair decorated wear bowl. It's a pretty pattern, beautiful condition, not a scratch on it, not even on the back. And it was made in England, decorated in Long Island, copyright 1971. So I've gotten like, I don't know, 3 or 4 pieces of the Darhair tinware. Really nice. Gemco sugar creamer that matches the Corel pattern in great condition. There was all this vintage smoking stuff there. Somebody must have been a collector and passed away probably from smoking. So we've got about 2 packs of Durals, and you got this commemorative ashtray as a gift from the village of Tobaccoville, the place Dural calls home. This is from the early 90s. A commemorative tin from the 40th anniversary of Winston cigarettes. Winston tastes good like a cigarette should. And it actually contained a pack of playing cards. This didn't, but it was like less than $1. So it's a nice tin for people who collect kind of advertising tins. Some Anchor Hawking Pepsi Collector Series Mickey Mouse milk glass mugs from, I think, 1980. So we've got the Mickey Mouse Club from 1955, Mickey Mouse and Fantasia from 1940, and Anchor Hawking stamped on the bottom, and Collector Series Pepsi. So I didn't know what these were. I've seen them, whoops, at Goodwill and stuff. Never knew what they were. There's a small size and a large size. All I knew is that they were Royal Worcester porcelain from England. They're very pretty. The tops, if I can do this, screw off. And I'm like, what the hell are these used for? Well, what they are, they're egg coddlers. So you could make coddled eggs in them. You would take the lid off, add your egg, and I think a little cream or milk or something like that, and then screw the lid back on. Sorry, I have seasonal allergies or something here. Pardon the sniffling. And then you would drop this in a pot of simmering water for 7 minutes. Take the top off, and add a little salt and pepper, and eat your coddled egg, which is kind of like a poached egg, straight out of that. Let's see what else we got. More advertising stuff. These are, I researched it, it says from 1940. I don't know. It's Essie the Borden cow. 2 Sunday glasses in excellent condition. And I don't know who the maker was. And then, and I'm going to say this wrong probably, Arcopal French milk glass mixing bowl, or a salad. I think it's more like a salad bowl because of the scalloped edge. It's kind of got a swirl pattern with peaches and flowers. Michelle had asked me to challenge me to find some Arcopal. She was looking for Campbell soup bowls, but I found this instead. I figured that would serve the bill. This I think was like $2. These were each $2 from Goodwill. They're very collectible, and you can get a good price for those. I think probably the most expensive things were the mugs. I think I paid a couple bucks for each of those. Good investment. Actually, actually everything was on sale, so I didn't really spend more than a couple of bucks on anything. Probably the entire thing here. Let's see, I spent $2 on the milk glass salad bowl, $2.40 for each of the mugs. Pull up my paperwork here. Yeah, $2.40. I spent 79 cents for the Winston cigarette playing card tin. $2 for each of the egg coddlers, and 80 cents for each of the Elsie the Cow ice cream dishes. $3, I guess that was maybe my most expensive item, for the Gemco sugar bowl in the snowflake garland pattern. $3 for the decorated ware tin metal dish, and 79 cents for the ashtray, and that's it. So it was a good day. Hope you liked my first video, and